Well, I came here and I saw this lovely patch of light just hitting the sides of some small trees, but unfortunately the light's gone because by the time I parked the car it just went. So what I'm going to do is, hopefully I'm going to set up on this tree here and just take a close in shot of the moss on the one side and the transition over to the bare bark on the other. Hopefully when the sun comes out with another patch of light. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. So I'm just going to set up now and I'm just going to try and not put my camera bag in a load of mud. So making sure there's no dog muck, I'll place it down here. I'll try with the 100mm first. Yeah, I think that's about going to be my best choice. Oh, the light's coming now. And there's a car coming. And I'm panicking. And the light's gone. Damn it. I'll have to be patient. Yeah, just take one. And now we wait. Now we wait for the light. And there's a little like bulge in the moss. I'm sort of just taking that bit as the centre and the surrounding area. So cropped out what's beyond the trunk of the tree. And wow, let's see what happens. Oh, now it's moving back up the trunk again. Should I recompose? Should I? Yeah, I better have, I suppose. Well, I think the light's gone from this. It's more sort of down the centre of the road now. Yeah, I can see there's a crown of a tree over there, so that's shading this side of the road. But there's a bit brightness down that end, so I'll have a wander down there and see what happens. So I'll just carry the camera on the tripod as it is and see what I can get down there. Well, there's a small stream down here, so I thought I'd go and have a look. As with a lot of woodland scenes, what a mess. But I quite like the ivy on this. It's sort of and there's a tree over there with some nice ivy sort of spiralling up it. It's sort of like it's quite pristine, being in this sheltered environment. Whether I can make anything out of it, I don't really know. What to do? What to do? I think I'll leave this for now, I think, this little woodland. Maybe for another day. Get out in the wide and bright blue yonder. Probably more likely to get some sunlight. Yeah. Well, I thought about going down there, but it might be a bit of a death trap. I don't fancy twisting my ankle and having to scramble through the stream to get back up again. Yeah, I'll leave this for now. Let's go and do something a bit different. Don't know what. Might be a tree on a hill. We've got a great sky over here, but I can't find anything to put in front of it. You know, you've got these nice sort of swirling Turner-esque clouds with corpuscular rays coming through it. Beams of light. Highlighted by the moisture in the atmosphere. I know you can see it on there, so oh, I don't care. I can't bother to film it again. And on the other side, we got a nice solitary tree. I'll go and show you it now. Get killed on this very, very quiet road. And if I put that there. Ooh, see that tree there? Yeah, nice tree, apart from the little tree in the bottom. But if I moved it further along, I could probably get rid of that. So, just wait and see if any patches of light come out, or I'm going to photograph that. In the meantime, here's the horse coming. Evening. Go on. Nothing to see here, horse. Move along. It's just like waiting on my road, he's saying.
Like, what is going on?
Well, we'll see how this goes. Jump this hidden ditch. Well, I'm scared. I don't know how deep it is. Oh, that's not too bad. And sets this up so I can shoot between the herd of cows, well, calves, bullocks, pardon me, and the branch which is dangling down. Oh. And see if I can remove most of these cows. I'm going to shoot as wide as I can, just to get a bit of... Yeah, that's probably about it. That's as much tree and sky and field I can get in without anything sticking in the frame. There's quite a lot of cows which are half cut off. Well, let's take that while I can. Now I'm going to wait for the cows to do something interesting. Well, I've decided to just hang around here for a while and just to see if the clouds change colour. I'm bored with this. I just can't be bothered to hang around anymore with this composition. Oh, go on, Ben. And the sun's come out. Oh, damn it. Back over this ditch. Oh, God. Ah. Oh, come on, Bennett. Well, the light's on it, but it doesn't look any good. It's full of cows. They're no longer in the... and the light's gone. Take one. Wait a bit longer. Will it come back? Will it come back? Who knows? And the sun's gone. There we are. Made my decision for me. It will never come back. No matter what happens, the sun will not come back here today. I'm just trying to convince myself it won't. Is it coming back? I don't know. I'll wait till this car goes. Oh, I don't know. Is it? Big clouds on the horizon, maybe not. Dush, dush, dush. Right, that's it. Had enough. I'm going now. And the sun's coming back. No, it's going. Nah, forget it, Andrew. Forget it. It's boring. What are you on about? It's just boring. Just forget about that shot. Right. Let's get out of here. Right. Back again. Oh, God, Bennett. Oh, God, his ankle. God. This image is based on the forensic reconstruction of the video of the people who cut down the Sycamore Gap tree. What do you think? Do you like it? What are your comments?